Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in France as the chief guest of the Bastille Day celebrated on the 14th July in Paris. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to sign a defense deal worth $11 billion or 90,000 crore with French government during his visit. In this video, we will discuss more about this deal as well as the larger strategic perspective of this visit. Namaste guys, welcome to your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been invited as the special chief guest in the Bastille Day parade, which is celebrated as the National Day of France. During this visit, India is set to buy 26 Rafale fighter jets or Rafale M made specially for Navy. This purchase would be a follow-up purchase on the previously bought 36 Rafale fighter jets by India in the recent past. Out of the 26 Rafale marine jets ordered, 22 of them would be single-seater jets, whereas 4 of them will be double-seater jets. To signify the importance of this deal, one should keep in mind that India rejected United States F-18 Hornet fighter jet and has opted for French Rafales. This would allow Indian Navy to maintain a tactical edge over other navies, especially in the Indian Ocean region. These jets will be deployed on the aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy, that is INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant. India will also buy 3 Scorpion class submarines. These submarines are diesel electric attack submarines, and India currently has 6 active submarines in its naval fleet. These submarines would allow India to monitor the Indian Ocean region from Chinese naval activities. I had discussed in a previous video that France has offered to develop a fighter jet engine along with India for its 5th generation fighter jet, that is AMCA or Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. French government has given administrative go-ahead to its private jet engine manufacturing company Safran to allow joint manufacturing with its Indian counterparts. To India's surprise, French government has even allowed technology transfer of single crystal blade technology, which accounts for 55 to 60% of the total technology of a jet engine qualitatively. The next major deal signed was the use of UPI or Unified Payment Interface with the French government. UPI is a digital payment system used widely in India and has made India a digital payment hub. Signing of this deal will allow easy money transaction between France and India without any third-party involvement. It would even allow both countries to avoid use of dollars as trading currency in future if they want. India has already signed agreement vis-a-vis UPI with around 18 countries for use of it as a payment platform. Indian Prime Minister has been awarded the Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor, which is the highest civilian award of France. To understand its importance, it is the French equivalent of India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Narendra Modi is the first Indian person to be conferred with this award from France. Further, Indian armed forces marched alongside their French counterparts as they were special invitee in this Bastille Day parade. Personals from all the 3 branches of the armed forces, that is Army, Navy and Air Force, participated in this parade on the tunes of Saare Jahan Se Achha. This defense deal of around $11 billion comes back to back after the recent India-US defense deal worth $3 billion. The US-India defense deal involved technology transfer of fighter jet engines from an American private defense company General Electric to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. However, the most important part of the jet engine, that is single crystal blade technology, has not been included in this technology transfer agreement. The sheer fact that French government has allowed 100% technology transfer of fighter jet engine and especially single crystal blade technology to India shows the level of trust and strategic importance that France gives to India. Both American and French defense deals clearly shows that the Western world wants India to grow economically and militarily to counterbalance China in the Indo-Pacific region. Stay tuned to know more, like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.